Hey everybody, it's Dan. I just figured I'd show you guys how to make a snack from the 1950s, and it's really simple. All you're gonna need is bacon and some cheese and sourdough bread. So here we go. So first thing you want to do is you want to cut the bacon up into small pieces. And then just grate your cheese. So just grate your cheese, and the recipe for this will be available in the description box. Should have used a food processor. This sucks. Hey Molly, why don't you come give me a hand and grate this magnificent cheese? Hey Molly.
Hey Dan. Hey everyone. I get to do the job.
That's good enough. So now all you do is you put your bacon in the bowl and you're gonna mix the cheese in with the bacon. And then after this, we're gonna put it on some sourdough bread and put it in the oven on the broiler setting. Probably on low, but I'll burn it. I'm using sourdough bread. Molly and I really like sourdough bread, but you can use any type of bread that you like. So now I got my bread. Now you're just gonna put the cheese and the bacon onto the bread. So now that we have everything on the bread, I'm gonna put it in the oven on the broiler setting on low, and then I don't know how long it's going to take to cook, so you just have to keep an eye on it. And I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. So there you go. It was only in the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes. I did have to turn the broiler onto high though. Hey Molly, you want to come give these a try?
Holy crap, what did you make?
Yeah, so this recipe, it actually came out of this 500 snack cookbook from the 1950s that I raided from your bedroom.
It says 500 tasty snacks.
Shit.
Hey, you go.
500 tasty snacks.
This does look like a tasty snack.
So would you like to try?
Yeah, sure. I'll try this one.
Damn. That's actually pretty good.
Well, it's sourdough bread.
Who would have thought?
Bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese.
What kind of cheese did you use?
I don't know.
Oh, did you use the block in the fridge?
Yeah.
That was sharp white cheddar. Dan used sharp white cheddar for this. So you used sharp white cheddar and sourdough, so I imagine that you could change up the cheese and bread.
Yeah, to whatever you guys want. This is absolutely delicious though.
And this recipe,
And it was really fast.
what was the name of this recipe?
This recipe was called Midnight Snack.
This would make a delicious midnight snack. This would make a delicious snack any time of day. They really lived it up in the 50s.
Oh yeah.
Just a snack, piece of bread loaded with bacon and cheese. This is legit.
Yeah.
This might be my favorite recipe we've done.
I had my doubts, but this is absolutely delicious.
What's there to doubt? It's bacon and cheese.
Well, that was a little weird. So there you have it. A snack from the 1950s. Should definitely try it. So if you guys like this content, please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us out. Molly and I will be here making different kind of recipes every week.
Well, I hope to see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.